Here are some main points about drug abuse or drug substance abuse, or the beginning of become an alcoholic, or not necessarily alcoholic, or substance use dependence. Okay, number one, 13 is the average age children experiment with drugs. Alcohol is the most commonly abused substance and the third most cause of death in another country like United States. 50% of all death and over 50% of all violent crime are caused by alcohol and drugs. Over 50% of all traffic accidents involve alcohol or drugs. 50% of all domestic violence reports are related to drugs and alcohol. An estimated 60% of poor work performance can be tied to drugs or alcohol. People lose their functionality, of course. 34 or 35% of people who become substance use dependent have never received treatment. 28% of college dropouts become alcohol dependent. Painkillers, tranquilizers, and stimulants are the most commonly used prescription drugs. Marijuana, cocaine, and hallucinogenic are the most widely used illegal drugs. More than $600 billion is lost annually, and probably more now due to substance abuse. While this solid and eye-opening information about substance abuse, they are not just statistics. They are also lives lost and life ruined. Seek help. Don't wait. Just seek help. See your doctor. Talk to your doctor about your substance dependency, substance abuse. It's better to correct it early and manage it early. Don't wait too long. I wish you very well. There's help.